close till I get up.
Morning, happy Friday. This Friday I'm talking softly because what's the time right now? It's like 7 o'clock. I'm done with my bath and stuff, and I came downstairs for a few things, and Aiden is sleeping. Mayang is getting ready. So what I was saying is, today is Friday. Tomorrow is Alani's birthday celebration, her first birthday. Her birthday is on 19th, but because it's a weekend, so they wanted to do it on a weekend so everybody could come and have fun. So that's the plan. Yesterday was a lot of preparation day. Today is also going to be a lot of preparation day. I am making 4 loaves. Ashley's making 4 loaves, so that's for like the party favors for the families, and there's going to be something else for the kids. So that's what we did. We are making our sourdough bread, and let me show you. Like, we're just full right now. It's like really full. So here are the breads, and then I am also doing shahi paneer. So here's a curry for that. This is for breakfast. So let me take this out. I made sprouts yesterday, so that's gonna be for our breakfast. And then Aiden has been wanting to eat cinnamon roll, so I prepped everything yesterday, and then he was like, "Mommy, cinnamon roll for breakfast." So that's why I prepped everything yesterday, and I'm just gonna take them out right now. Here, oh, they look so good. Oh my god, look at that. I had these containers, so I'm just gonna use that and bake it in this. So I am going to let it sit outside for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna bake it, and it's gonna be ready by the time it sits for breakfast. So that's perfect. And like I said, I am making shahi paneer and fried rice, like a jeera rice, as one of the main food. Rest they are doing all the other stuff. So I prepped the masala for shahi paneer, and then today I'm gonna complete it, and because the party starts at 11 o'clock, so I'm not gonna have time to do everything in the morning. So we're gonna do the breads today, and then I'm gonna finish the shahi paneer rice we're gonna make tomorrow morning. So yeah, getting everything done. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me the whole day and show you what is going on, and also there's some new things that I'm gonna show you today. Can you tell everybody what you're baking?
Oh.
Aiden.
What are we making this morning?
So he was wearing his oven mitts, not his, my oven mitts, and he was ready to bake.
Right up to here.
Yeah, they're literally like covering up his arms, so he's ready to bake. Look at him. Yeah. He's ready to bake cinnamon rolls. So the oven is preheating, and then we're just gonna put this, and then like I showed you the sprouts, I'm gonna get the sprouts ready for breakfast. So that's gonna be with our coffee. That's it. Break it here in the bowl. Break it in the bowl. It's already cracked. Slowly. Good job. Yes. Don't crush it all the way. Good job. I'm so proud of you.
So here.
Yeah, let me clean it up. Now we're gonna make 2 eggs for Aiden.
It's Friday.
Yeah. He helps me make breakfast for him, and whenever I take out eggs, he loves cracking eggs, right? Yeah, you do?
Barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms.
Cow milk. Mix it. Let me see. Mix it slowly. We're making the icing for the cinnamon rolls. Mix it slowly.
Don't worry then.
Good job, Aiden. Honestly, he loves cooking so much that he doesn't let me cook anything by myself. He wants to do every single thing.
Aiden.
What are you doing, Aiden? Say it.
Sugar and la.
Yeah, and then he also loves that when somebody asks him, "What are you doing, Aiden?" He keeps reminding you, "Ask me, what are you doing, Aiden?"
Kimpalala.
What are you making, Aiden?
And la.
Yeah, what are you making? You're making icing for the cinnamon rolls. Oh, careful.
Wah, 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 wah.
All right, now show. Let me give a quick mix and then you can mix again. It's all mixed. Thank you for mixing it.
You're welcome. Not here.
Hmm? Do you think we need to add more sugar? I think a little bit more sugar. Lick it.
No,
You can lick it as sugar.
I don't like sugar.
You don't like sugar? Well, I have recorded this in the camera today that he's saying he don't like sugar. Make sure you remember that when you grow up. Here.
More flour? I can mix.
Now mix it slowly. You can say whatever you want. Don't put your mouth.
It's Canva.
It's a camera with on a tripod.
She's leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Let them cool down a little bit and then serve it to Aiden. And then we're gonna eat and I'll let you know. So these are basically sourdough cinnamon rolls. The first time making sourdough style. I have made a normal style and it's already in my website at tonight's special if you guys want to check out that recipe. But I did not shoot any recipe for this because it's just like a trial one, and if it comes out good, I'm sure it'll come out good, I'll shoot a recipe for you guys. Bread is in the oven. It has 15 more minutes left. It's almost Aiden's lunchtime, so he came to me, "Mommy, I'm hungry." So he's peeling an orange because he wants to eat an orange, and I have some leftover mac and cheese that I made for him yesterday. So I'm gonna serve him that, but I did not get time to make lunch. Yes, baby?
Orange.
Orange. So that's what he's gonna eat, mac and cheese and orange right now. And then when
Screw down.
you peel the orange, good job. Now can you, here, I can throw it for you. Thank you. And this piece. And the other one? Oh, good job. Thank you. And then I'm gonna put him to sleep and continue my baking.
My orange.
Yeah.
Cut my orange.
All right. You want mommy to cut it?
Okay. Now cut my orange.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. You want it half? Or how do you want it? What size? You want half bites?
No, it's too small. It's too small.
Like this?
Like, I don't like it.
You want mommy to cut it? Where are you going?
On the big one.
No, this is good, baby. Come on.
On the big one. On the big one.
First bread is done. Oh, look at that. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna take it out in the cooling rack and let it cool. And then I'm gonna put in the second one now.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Let me show you the bread that I'm very, very proud of. Look at this. I mean, just look at this. It is so pretty. I cannot believe that. Look. So the fourth bread is in the oven, which is the last bread. And then I'll be done with the bread duty, and then I'll shift into cooking the shahi paneer duty.
Hey guys, what's up? So I think Tanya already mentioned to you guys that we got something new, but let me tell you the whole story. We actually upgraded our phone to 15 Pro because we were getting a sweet deal with AT&T. So we ported from T-Mobile to AT&T basically, and so we have to get the new covers, we have to get the new charging things, and for that we ended up getting Interval's 3-in-1 portable wireless charger. I like the fact that it looks really small. I'm still gonna unbox it in front of you. So hopefully we can carry it when we go to like hotels and when I have my travels. So let's find out. A couple of reasons. We got it from Amazon. It supports multi-device charging, so you know, the watch, the phone, and then my AirPods. So I was really hoping everything could go in just one thing. We both have all the three things from Apple and we really love it. And then it's really compact, so that's what I was saying, because I travel a lot. I'm hoping that I can carry it around. Let's find out how the magnetic is, because for some devices it's not great, but for this one I really like it, and we are gonna find it right in front of you. So this is what it looks like. It does have a fast charging. This is a little crack. So this is what the device looks like, as you can see, and you open it like this, and then this one opens like this. So it basically goes like this, and ready to travel. So let me connect it real quick for you guys, and let's check it out. All right, it has this little charger. It has 20-watt PD charger included, so basically it's really fast. This is the little clip thing where your charging goes, and basically I'm gonna put it like this, and then this little goes in here. Good thing this is USB-C to USB-C. Very thoughtful design, because it has the L design over here. The wire plugs it in, and take your phone and stick it on there. There we go. And then I can take my watch, and I can just put my watch over here. There it goes. And then for your AirPods, you can put it back up here. So I really like it. I'm gonna put my watch back on and take my phone. Really like it. Super sleek, super easy to carry. Folds like this, folds like this. There you go. Perfect. We're really excited to show you guys this. I'm gonna put it on my side stand, and we were really looking for something so there are not 3 different wires there, and easy to carry around in your backpack. So if you guys want it, I'm gonna drop the link in the description box. Do check it out. It is compatible with all the phones that comes with Q charging, so basically iPhone 13, 14, 15 or other phones. So check it out. So time is 5:30 and we did it. Actually, there were so many things happening, and I'm done with my work, and he is calling me to play. Yes baby, I'm coming. We are playing with all the cars here. So we are
all the cars here.
Yeah. And then he's getting ready because we'll be taking now Marvel out for his walk. And let me show you a few things. Tanya already showed you all the breads are ready. Alani's birthday prep, the veggie is ready. And then we will be making the rice tomorrow. And then our dinner for the night is ready. And Tanya has made very Assamese style dinner. We have moong dal. We have masoor dal. And we have rice. And then we have aloo pitika. And then we have lauki, which is like this style and not your traditional style. So very soul soothing meal after a very busy day. And we are gonna, so our dinner is ready. Tomorrow's preps are done. Only rice is pending. So we are gonna take Marvel outside, and then we are gonna go meet Nitish and Ashley and hand over them some of these things. And then tomorrow is gonna be a busy day.
Don't forget to check out the wireless charger. The link will be in the description box below, so check it out. We love it actually.
Yep. Alright guys, so we're gonna see you in our amazing next vlog, and stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy. Until then, bye bye.